Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and today I am going to be sharing with you 9 quick and easy Christmas napkin folding for festive table settings. Now, you know me, I am all about decorating on a budget and really creating that designer look for less. So I am sharing all of my decorating tricks so that you can create the same look in your home as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that like button. Which style is your favorite? Please let us know in comments below. And I want to give a huge thank. Transform your holiday table with quick and easy Christmas napkin folding ideas. Whether you're hosting a formal dinner or a casual family gathering, these festive folds will add a touch of elegance and holiday cheer in no time. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. Let's make your table setting merry and bright. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. 1. Star napkin folding idea. A bright star has long been a symbol of Christmas. Recreate a shining star with gorgeous Christmas star napkin folding tutorial. It might look complex, but it can be done in just 3 stages. 2. Big red bow Christmas napkin folding. Keep it classic with this supersized Christmas bow from Apartment Therapy, which will impress even the most stubborn guests. 3. Poinsettia napkin fold. Start with a red square napkin on a table or flat surface. The napkin should be wrong side up. Fold each of the 4 corners into the center to form a diamond shape. 4. Berry toile napkin. If you're setting your holiday table with a dramatic centerpiece, keep your Christmas napkins and plates simple. To recreate this look, roll a white cloth napkin and finish with a metallic napkin ring. 5. Greenery Christmas napkin. Greenery is a lovely addition to any party table setting. Here, a perfect sprig of boxwood graces each napkin. Create your own holiday table runner by placing cut evergreen branches, boxwood sprigs, and pine cones down the center of your table. 6. Verdant greens. Look no further than the Christmas tree lot for this nature-inspired scene. Choose a country or floral napkin in green and white. Think flower or feed sack fabrics. Tuck in a few twigs and branches before securing with jute. 7. Velvet napkin ring. Sometimes Mother Nature knows best, as in this simple table setting with a napkin accented by one seeded eucalyptus sprig. For added drama, layer your plate on a buffalo check placemat. Finish the Christmas napkin with a black grosgrain ribbon tied in a knot. 8. Red and white place setting. Stick to a cohesive color scheme. Dress up red and white dishes when you create these festive Christmas napkins. Add a hint of color to a white napkin with a thin red and white striped ribbon. Tie the ribbon in a knot and leave the ends long to add a playful feel to a crisp place setting. 9. Christmas tree napkin fold. This no-sew Christmas tree napkin is a simple fold for a square napkin. 1. Lay napkin flat and press. Crisp edges are easier to work with. 2. Fold in half, then in half again to make a square. 3. Turn the napkin so the outside corners are pointed toward you. 4. Folding up from the bottom. Fold each layer to create a stacked triangle. 5. Holding the napkin with both hands, flip it over. Then fold each outside corner diagonally to the opposite edge and make a cone shape. 6. Flip it again, fold each triangle's point up, and tuck it into the layer above. Thanks for watching. Christmas tree, I hope these quick and easy Christmas napkin folding ideas bring a festive touch to your holiday table. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more holiday inspiration. Happy holidays, and see you in the next video.